Tomato plants, tall, green, leafy, but where's the fruit? You did everything right. Watered, fertilized, prayed, but still, nothing. The real reason? It's not what you think. And at the end of this video, I'll show you the one forgotten ingredient that flips the switch. Stick around, your harvest depends on it. This is what most gardeners don't talk about. A plant can look healthy and still fail you. Why? Because it's missing something vital. Something beyond just water and sun. You see, most store-bought fertilizers are obsessed with nitrogen, great for leaves. But what about roots, flowers, fruit? That's where the real problem hides. Ever heard of NPK? It's on every fertilizer bag. But here's what they don't explain. Phosphorus, the P, is the key to flowers and fruit. No P, no produce. Most soils, depleted. Most fertilizers, not enough. Your plants are starving for it, and you don't even know. You've heard this before, get a soil test first, right? Laughs. Not in real-world backyard gardening. Soil tests are expensive and inconsistent, especially in small spaces. Here's the truth. Gardeners who get big harvests, they don't rely on labs. They watch their plants. They try, observe, adjust. And they all use this one powerful secret I'll reveal at the end of this video. Want stronger roots, more blooms, actual fruit? Then you need something that releases nutrients slowly, naturally, and exactly when your plants need them. Not a synthetic chemical, not a miracle liquid. This is older than modern farming itself, and works better than most fertilizers. Whispers. And no, it's not compost or manure, it's something much more targeted. Still guessing? We're almost there. It's not just what you feed, it's when. Determinate tomatoes, one big feeding, done. Indeterminate, they grow for months, so you need to time it right, up to the final fruit set before frost. Feed too late, waste. Feed too early, wash out. But use this the right way and you'll see flowers pop like fireworks. You waited patiently. Now here it is. Bone meal, crushed bones, full of slow-release phosphorus. Pure, organic, and ancient. The exact boost your plants need for roots, blooms, and fruit. When mixed into the soil around your transplants or flowering plants, it feeds your garden gradually, just like nature intended. Want to level up even more? Combine it with fish fertilizer during transplanting to reduce shock and supercharge growth. Stop babying your plants. Start feeding them for results. Hit that like if you learned something today. Drop a comment if you've ever used bone meal, or if you're about to. And don't forget to subscribe to MKIRIKACHA TV, where we turn mystery into mastery, one garden secret at a time. MKIRIKACHA TV, dig deeper, grow better.